Hello friends, in this video I will tell you that how can you export your video created in Adobe Premiere Pro with best export settings. So first of all, make sure that you have selected this timeline panel and then go to File, Export and then Media. Now if you select any other panel like this, then if I'm going to File, Export, it is not here. So simply click this and then you can also use the shortcut Ctrl+M. Here you can see format H.264 is best, and then match source high bitrate. Make sure that export video and audio are checked. You can see the summary, video, audio. You can see if you want to change these settings. These are the default and best settings. And then one thing, check this, use maximum render quality. And in a video section you can see here target bitrate and maximum bitrate. This is the quality which is going to be rendered. So I think 10 and 12 is the best for YouTube video. So after you are done, simply click on this export and it will export your video. And if you want to change your destination, simply click on this output name and change the destination you want. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and leave a comment behind. Thanks.